Hi friends! Welcome back to Art House for Kids channel. Today we're going to draw some of our favorite emojis together. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, let's start with 6 big circles, each representing each emojis we are going to draw in this episode. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's highlight our circles so that it will be bold and nice. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's draw the laughing emoji. Now a big open mouth and 2 happy eyes. He's laughing so hard. Great job! Now let's draw 2 little eyes, and a big happy smile. Easy peasy. Next is the winky face. 1 eye open, 1 eye closed, and a cheeky smile. This emoji looks like it's sharing a secret with us. Time for one of my favorites, the heart eyes emoji. Draw 2 big hearts for the eyes and a big smile. Aw, so cute. Now the yummy emoji. 2 eyes, a smile, and a tongue sticking out to the side, like it just ate something super tasty. Yum yum. And last, the silly face with its tongue sticking out. Draw 2 big eyes, a smile, and a tongue right in the middle. So silly. Now, let's make the emojis very colorful. You can use red color for the tongues and hearts, brown for the inside of the mouth, and yellow for the faces. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yay! We did it! We drew and colored 6 fun emojis together, laughing, smiling, winking, heart eyes, yummy, and silly tongue. Which one is your favorite?